ground turkey, breadcrumbs, and barbecue sauce. Rolled up. A bit more sauce. The other side. Now I mash it all together and then make burgers. Mashed under paper. More mashed. I'm liking this. Fold it again to go into the pan. With minimal mess on the counter or my hands. Another overturning to mix it together in the pan. Leveled out in the pan. And the 3 pounds of ground turkey divided into 12 parts. Each one will be a burger. Actually, something new this time. I decided to flip them out of the pan. Makes it easier than trying to dig the sections out. So I put a piece of parchment paper over the pan, flipped it, and it all fell right out there. Press it between 2 pieces of parchment in the burger press. Boom. And there we go. One burger. That piece goes down for the bottom of the next one. 11 patties plus 1 for right now. Freeze those up and have them as I want them during the next week. And into the oven for 20 minutes at 400. The ones that are frozen I put in for 35 minutes. Nice bed of shredded lettuce with some sour cream. I gave the burger some more time because it wasn't holding together very well. So I gave it another 5 minutes at 450. And it still is not holding together very well. I should have squished it more or added a lot more breadcrumbs. Ground turkey is very wet, but it'll be good, and it doesn't matter if it doesn't hold together the way I do it. And a lot of salt and some shredded cheddar, and we're ready to go. Yeah, come on. There we go. Now. Woo, hot. Good. Okay, there you go. Happy day to you.